Now we're getting into the first of our Agri range.
Yeah, this is the first one. So this is probably my favourite. Apart from an HX, this will be my favourite because my wife uses one of these as well, and she's farming. 80 horsepower, it's small ag tractor, big lift capacity in the front of it, so you can lift round bales with this. This is if you've got an acreage where you want to feed out, this is where it starts. So 80 horsepower for us is where it starts. And again, manual transmission, wet clutch. You can run a feed out system behind it. You can run a sprayer behind it. You can run a small fert bin behind it as well. So it's definitely this definitely get into our small agri. You know, 230 acres is what we run, and this is definitely ideal for what we want to do. All right, good footprint, good set of ag tyres, and just a nice platform. Starting to get to the serious end.
Dairy tractors.
Yeah. So this is our PX 1153.
Obviously, again, 115 horsepower.
115 horsepower. This is a wet clutch and 34 by 34 transmission. It's got a gear for everything. It's got a bigger footprint, 540s on the rear, 440s on the front. It's got a 4.4 litre Perkins engine. So this is starting to get into the end of share milker. Or a big sheep and beef or small operation on a dairy farm, but it represents incredible value for money. Now, another thing to mention with all Kioti tractors, they come with a 4-year powertrain warranty. All right, South Korean manufactured again.
Factory warranty.
Factory back warranty.
It's good.
And now
and air conditioning.
Absolutely.
Radio.
Nothing like having
cab.
Nothing like having a cool cab. Now I do believe
I think we even got one on our RX if you really wanted it.
Yeah, we got a cab for them as well. Yeah.
But
good thing about this, you get a hot box, cool box. So
keep your pies warm.
Pies warm.
Keep your Coke cold.
Keep your Coke cold in the middle of winter.
Here's the newbie on the block.
Yep.
Not so new anymore. But
we're just on a year old. We launched it here at Fieldays last year.
Yeah.
This is the flagship model of Kioti tractor. So 130 and 140 horsepower. We've got 130 up the front, fitted with a tremor loader. We'll go back and we'll tell people about that. But this is the bee's knees for Kioti. Same warranty that comes in our smallest tractor down there. So the factory's really got belief in the product they're selling. The thing about this is a first tractor on a farm. This will do everything you want it to do. It's got an 8-speed power shift transmission. Kioti got their own 3.8 litre engine in there, and it is everything you see on this tractor is just factory equipment. It's incredibly good. It's got a 118 litre CCLS pump on that, load sensing pump on the back of it. It'll do everything that everybody wants it to do. And with that warranty you've got on there, huge cabin on it, big feet, standard rear guards, 4 sets of rear remotes. It's, where do you stop and start with the number of features on this tractor? And, it is incredible value. The other thing about it right now is obviously we're so confident and the factory's confident that we'll guarantee future value of this tractor as well with a guaranteed buyback.
Basically, South Koreans have really come of age.
100%.
like you look at some of the brands coming out there like Samsung and Hyundai, and this tractor looks like it's really going to make a difference.
I mean, without the Hyundai, is a good example, and it's just testament to the how South Korea has evolved with their products, and this is evidence. I mean, Kioti's number one selling South Korean brand. It's the number one exported tractor from South Korea. And this is it's really going places now, and again, come down and have a look at it and experience. Just jump in the cabin and feel how big and spacious it is. And
it's got a nice wide cabin, eh?
Yep, it's got a huge cabin.
A little bit American spec with that, haven't they?
Yep, you come around, have a quick walk around this one. So again, 5-pillared cabin, 1 pillar on 2 pillars on this side and 3 pillars on that side. We've got a swivel seat. Telescopic and tilt steering, as I said, an 8-speed power shift transmission with an integrated shift button in 3 different places. So it's definitely a well-spec'd machine, and the visibility from that cabin is huge. All right. So here we go again, Aaron. This is HX series. This is 130 horsepower. The difference with this one and the previous one down there, we've fitted a tremor Q4S loader for it. And so it's a European spec loader. So a lot of dairy farmers have used Euro spec loaders in the past, and they see value in them. So we've fitted this on this tractor. It's all painted black, looks very stealthy, and it's a very nice machine, both with boom suspension and third service as well. So yeah, that adds value to this as well. But again, huge cabin, and a 4-year powertrain warranty, which is important to people today. This tractor is definitely something that you want to have a look at. An 8-speed power transmission, 130 and 140 horsepower, CCLS pump on the back, tilt steering. I mean, the list just goes on.
Mate, thank you.
All right.
Have a good field day.
Oh, we'll do. Cheers, Aaron.
Thank you, sir.